So, I have been seeing for the entire time that I have been someone who makes fake blood, a very specific recipe, and I'm gonna turn that on its head a little bit, just because this is a much cheaper alternative that works just fine. Okay, so I was gonna start with water, but I think I'll start with food coloring. That makes sense. And this is not like the full whole hog with the corn syrup because I'm gonna be demonstrating another thing as well. Yeah, that should be good. And I'm not even gonna bother to add like other food coloring. I only got one hand. Hang on. Okay. Time to see if we have a spoon in this. If not, I can go get one. No, we don't. Okay, so what we have, most fake blood recipes call for cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is as expensive as fucking caviar. Look at this shit. You know what this is? This is Nesquik's powder. Watch this, okay? Dissolves fucking instantly. No more like sitting there stirring the shit out of your cocoa powder because that dissolves like a dream. And I'm gonna put this lid on here, and and all that does is it makes it opaque. So we're gonna add our water, and this is gonna be like very, like almost cartoonish, like super red blood, like pretty light, but it's just because I didn't add any blue to it. I don't need to, because for what I'm doing, it's fine. I'm gonna stir that up, just making sure, absolutely sure that it's mixed, and then we're gonna take that outside in just a moment. This is a chalice of blood, and the reason that I didn't put any syrup in it is because of what I want to do with it. But like, hang on, let me get close.
Yeah, go
Can you
ahead.
see that?
Yes.
Can you see, all right, the way that it is, not, well, the way that it is opaque. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Oh, it's opaque.
Now, the thing is, if you use um, like red Kool-Aid for this, and there's like guides online on how to do like the like gangrel blood spit, whereas actually the Great Kabuki like green mist, which I haven't actually tried, so I don't know if like that specific thing is easier to get it to show up in the air. But if you want it to show up in the air, and it's red at least, you need like the opacifier, which is the Nesquik, which makes it opaque. So and it doesn't show up perfectly, but in the right lighting, I'm sure it would. And you can tweak it like
The opacity makes it show up better. Oh, yeah. Good one.
so. Basically, that's like a little thing you can do to add some Nesquik to it because it's way cheaper than cocoa powder or like a professional opacifier, which I think is a thing you can just buy. But yeah, it works. Oh, that's it.